How to access age-restricted Discord on iOS. I am going to show you how you can easily access age-restricted Discord on iOS. The first thing you want to do is to open the Discord application on your device. Next, you need to go to the Privacy and Settings option. Here you can see a lot of preference options and the button for allowing access to age-restricted Discord servers. You can change these settings, so for this, close the Discord app and open your web browser. Now type discord.com/app in the search bar. It will take you to the sign up page. Now you have to sign into your account here. Now enter your email and password of your Discord account to sign in. Enter your password correctly to sign into your account. Your account has been successfully logged, and now go to Settings. Here you can access your Discord using the web version. Go to Settings and click on Privacy and Settings. Scroll down to Server Privacy Defaults. Here is an option to allow access to age-restricted servers on iOS. Turn this button on. That is how you can get access to age-restricted Discord on iOS. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.